Sony Xperia XA2 Plus is the latest smartphone from the Japanese phone maker's bandwagon. Announced in London on Wednesday, the handset comes with features such as a 23-megapixel rear camera, a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, and support for 4K video recording. Color variants of the Sony Xperia XA2 Plus include black, green, gold, and silver. While pricing has not been revealed, the handset will be made available in late August 2018. Additionally, a new leather-like style cover stand for the Sony Xperia XA2 Plus has been launched in black and silver color options. Our super mid-range line inherits everything we love about the Sony innovations at the premium end of our portfolio, said Hideyuki Furumi, Executive Deputy President at Sony Mobile Communications. Xperia XA2 Plus further improves on that with a reimagined 18:9 display, Sony's high-res audio and powerful camera technology, to offer a unique content consumption and creation device for consumers at this section of the market. Sony Xperia XA2 Plus specifications. The Xperia XA2 Plus comes in single SIM, nano, and dual SIM, nano, variants, runs Android Oreo out of the box, and sports a 6-inch Full HD Plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 SoC, paired with 4GB/6GB of RAM. Internal storage variants include 32GB and 64GB, which is expandable via microSD, up to 400GB. In the camera department, the Xperia XA2 Plus bears a 23-megapixel rear sensor with hybrid autofocus, 84-degree wide-angle lens, and support for 4K video recording. On the front, the handset sports an 8-megapixel 120-degree wide-angle sensor with f/2.4 aperture for selfies and video calling. There is a 3,580 mAh battery under the hood, with support for Qnavo adaptive charging and Quick Charge 3.0. Connectivity on the Xperia XA2 Plus includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and USB Type-C. There is a fingerprint sensor on the back of the smartphone. Dimensions of the phone are 157 by 75 by 9.6 mm and weight is 205 grams.